Hi, I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom, with a fantastic solution for you today. See this earring? It has an earring back, doesn't it? But we all have earrings that have lost the back of their earring. And anyway, we might have an earring that doesn't have one of these. Now, here's what happened. Okay, if you don't have an earring back, this is what to do to make one. Now, this is an earring that I got that I love, but it came with no back. And mine tend to just fall out of my ear. So I thought, well, I'll try one of these backs. It was too tiny. So I went to a craft shop and I said to the clerk, what do you have that might fit this heavy gauge of wire that they've used? And she said, we don't have anything that big. You're just going to have to just put it through your ear and hope. And the lady shopping next to me said, why don't you just use an eraser? And I thought, that is ingenious. So here I've cut an eraser off the end of this pencil, and if you have a pencil around the house, you have earring backs. And here's what you do. You just push the wire through the eraser. You have to push pretty hard, but look, there it is. Now it has a back. It won't slip off your ear. I have a white one that I made earlier, and that's off of a mechanical pencil. It doesn't matter, but that's a great way to have an earring back in a pinch. I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom. Hey, pin this on Pinterest, tell your friends to subscribe, and go to my website, jonihilton.com. See you next time.